Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, there is a stronger wind pattern across the Caribbean this evening, and it is helping to generate and increase cloudy conditions across the land masses of Cuba, Jamaica, and also across sections of Haiti. We are expecting conditions to continue for the next few days, and stronger winds are expected to emerge over the open waters of the basin, especially as we move into Monday and Tuesday. Currently, high pressure dominates most of the area. We still have stable conditions. We still have very little shore activity occurring across the open waters and across the Caribbean itself. Now, the forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across most of the island. We're expecting the winds from the southeast on the south coast tonight. Expect the wind speeds to be averaging about 10 knots. Temperatures dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston, while on the north coast, similar wind conditions with temperatures dropping to 23 degrees Celsius. Now, in our forecast for tomorrow morning, we're expecting generally sunny conditions across the area. In the afternoon, partly cloudy skies are expected. We do have some isolated showers expected likely across the inland areas of western parishes. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Our breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area tomorrow. Expect strong winds if you're in Kingston, Halfway Tree, or Portmore. Windy conditions in the southwest with sunny skies also for Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Strong winds are persisting into the northwest. And elsewhere across the north, we do have windy conditions expected across Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, as well as Ocho Port Marie, and Port Antonio. It's partly cloudy across inland areas with some possible showers for Grange Hill. Also for Duncan's in Trelawney, it's partly cloudy in Cave Valley, as well as Richmond and Moortown. Now, on Monday, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions across the area. Increasing clouds, showers are also expected. We do have a weak frontal system that should be moving through the general area at the start of next week. Strong winds are likely Tuesday and Wednesday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are at 15 to 20 knots on the north coast tomorrow. Winds wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. While for the south coast, southeasterlies are at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for the offshore outlook, we're keeping our small craft warning in effect for offshore areas. Winds at 20 to 25 knots from the east, lift waves to 2 to 2.5 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.